How to delete time spent on Instagram. So if you want to delete your time spent on your Instagram, then first make sure that you have installed your Instagram application and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to open up your Instagram, tap on your profile, go with the three horizontal lines which is on the top right, scroll down and then tap on your activity. Scroll down a bit further and you will see time spent option. Tap on it. When you see it, you can manage your time here. This shows the daily average of how I use my Instagram. However, there is no option to delete the time spent here. If I tap on the eye icon, it shows the amount of time I have spent. I cannot see an option to delete it. There is only one option to delete Instagram time spent is you can log out of your Instagram account. If you do this, the daily average time of today will be deleted. However, it will be seen again if you log in and use Instagram once more. So it's not possible to delete your time spent on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.